Life is short. Why not make every second count? But if that's too hard, why not hide in the bathroom at work so you can waste some more time playing games on the clock? Any ideas on what we've got here? It's the Michael Kors Women's Gen 5e 42mm stainless steel touchscreen smartwatch. The Michael Kors Gen 5e smartwatch adds that little bit of bling to your wrist. That bit of classic design and style that seems to be missing by the offerings from the larger competitors. Its gold band and round frame complement the diamante studs around the circumference. And to the looker-oners, it just looks like a regular old watch. It's also available in rose gold, silver, and a combination of the different colored metals. In fact, there are literally thousands of different watch faces to choose from, so you can customize it your way. We were blown away by the sheer variety and choice. You can use it with both Apple and Android-based phones, and the smartwatch itself has hundreds of compatible apps stored in its memory banks. So what do we like about the Michael Kors Gen 5e smartwatch? It does everything. Taking calls, sending text, wireless payments, music, news, games, and most of all, it tells the time. The touchscreen is great. We found it to be way handier than fumbling in your pockets for your phone whenever someone wants to get a hold of you. The Bluetooth connectivity to a headset for hands-free chat or listening to tunes was also fantastic. It does all the fancy things too, like track heart rate, sleep patterns, and exercise metrics, just like the big competitor smartwatches. Only it's a fraction of the price. Besides, how cool is it talking directly into your watch, like some sort of femme fatale or lady spy? What's the downside? Though a 24-hour charge is advertised, this was only achieved by not really using the watch at all. We found it had to be charged in the morning, then again in the afternoon, as we didn't get a day out of a full charge if we were using it all the time. The internal speaker is loud enough to hear in quiet environments, but struggling in noisier surroundings. We found it best to pair it with a hands-free headset instead. It's also a little on the heavy side. It's a real dress watch, and it doesn't have the lightweight sports band that an Apple Watch does. You do notice the extra weight. So what's the verdict? Probably the best smartwatch with a touchscreen at this price point, and does a lot of what the other top competitors offer, while aesthetically looking way better in our books. We give it a rating of 4 out of 5 stars. And the Michael Kors Women's 5e 42mm stainless steel touchscreen smartwatch could be yours. We'll be giving it away to one lucky subscriber. To win this amazing product, the rules are very simple. Just subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment in this video with the hashtag #smartwatch. That's it. We'll then select someone at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck. If you liked what you saw today and you can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase link in the description below. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.